Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert surface chart in MS Word. So very easily you can insert this surface chart in MS Word. So firstly you need to click on insert. You see here this insert tab. So just click on it. Now chart, click on it, and here in this list you see here this surface. Click on it and this 3D surface will be there. You select it and press OK. You see here very easily you can insert this chart, and this Excel file will be open. You see here this table will be there. You can customize it by using this Excel file. So very easily you can insert it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.